Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today. Very nice overall chart, really. But then what separates today is volume just picked up pace that much more. So well above average volume. I mean, volume had already been increasing, but today volume was that much stronger. I will say, though, that from a presentation standpoint, this is a trickier chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there, maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, then from that point of view, yeah, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. From the highs, there was that pullback, but from the grand scheme of it all, there's still plenty of opportunity for the bulls to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term trends are constructed. Just over extended periods of time, higher lows are put into place, and that's also going to be the viewpoint that I talk about the chart from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a flipper or day trader type mentality going into this. Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just for explanation's sake and to really illustrate, how strong the overall chart actually is, let's say that the price pulls back some more and goes down to this area here at 009. Again, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur at all, but it'll help explain, like I said, the overall power of the chart. So the price comes down here to 009. Behaves like that, and then begins to start to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right here. You'd have lows down there, and then you'd have even other lower lows, but this will, and even have a low right there. Now, envision each of these as stair steps. What do you have? Well, from the big picture point of view, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and that's what that 009 mark is representing. Again, I get it. If you're a flipper or day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day, looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher low. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.